Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you all the insider info on the latest products so you can make informed decisions with confidence. Today, we're looking at a product that promises to revolutionize how you approach fried foods, the Dash Tasti-Crisp digital air fryer in cool gray. Alongside this, we've got the air fryer recipe book, a companion that promises to bring healthier and more delicious meals, snacks, and desserts into your kitchen. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we explore its features, real-world performance, and whether this kitchen gadget is worth your investment. First off, let's take a look at the Dash Tasti-Crisp digital air fryer. This compact 2.6 quart unit uses AirCrisp technology to cook your favorite fried foods with little to no oil. What does that mean for you? Less fat by up to 80%, and crucially, none of that lingering, greasy smell you usually get after frying with oil. So no more smelling like a fast food joint hours after you've eaten. And with a simple digital interface, you've got total control over time and temperature, ranging from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 60 minutes. That's enough to cook just about anything, whether you're making crispy fries, golden wings, or even desserts. The Dash air fryer also brings a little convenience to your busy kitchen life. In fact, it's quicker than preheating your oven, so you can save time and energy in the process. And with a cool touch housing and auto shutoff feature, safety is definitely prioritized, something especially important if you've got little ones running around. Now, let's talk about that recipe book. With over 75 recipes, everything from tacos to donuts to cheesecakes, this cookbook opens the door to a wide variety of dishes that you can whip up in your new fryer. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, the step-by-step guide ensures that anyone can create something delicious. So, how does it hold up in real-world use? Well, first, the setup was a breeze. It's literally a matter of plugging it in, setting the temperature and time, and you're good to go. I tested it with a batch of frozen fries. Setting the temperature was easy, and within about 15 minutes, I had perfectly crispy fries. No mess, no oil splattering everywhere, just straight up crispy goodness. The 2.6 quart capacity is just right for a small family or for individual servings, but it might be a bit small if you're cooking for a crowd. That's something to keep in mind if you're used to cooking large batches at once. The air fryer is incredibly easy to use, and it's almost hard to mess up. But if I had to nitpick, the digital interface, while functional, could be a little more intuitive. It's not terrible, but you might find yourself wishing for a clearer display, especially when you're switching between presets or adjusting temperature. That being said, once you get the hang of it, everything becomes second nature. Another thing I noticed is the sound. It's not obnoxious, but it's noticeable when it's running. It might not be a deal breaker for everyone, but if you're sensitive to noise in the kitchen, it's worth noting. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Dash Tasti-Crisp air fryer is efficient, delivering crispy results without oil, which aligns perfectly with today's health-conscious trends. The auto shutoff and cool touch features provide a solid safety net, and the compact design means it doesn't take up much counter space, which is a big win for smaller kitchens. However, on the downside, its smaller 2.6 quart capacity might not be enough for large families or big gatherings. The digital interface could use a little refinement, and the noise level, though not excessive, could be something that bothers a few users. As for value for money, this product is quite reasonably priced considering the features it offers. When you compare it to other air fryers in the same price range, you'll see that many of them offer similar features but are larger or bulkier. The Dash is sleek, user-friendly, and delivers on the promise of healthier fried food. There are certainly other models with more advanced features, but they often come with a higher price tag. So if you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use air fryer that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this one could be a good fit. When comparing it to some of the more premium models on the market, such as the Philips Premium Air Fryer, the Dash model holds its ground, especially considering the price difference. The Philips model, for instance, offers a larger capacity and more advanced features like a touch screen, but it's also at least twice as expensive. If you're someone who doesn't need all the bells and whistles and prefers a straightforward, no-fuss appliance, the Dash Air Fryer offers incredible value. Now, when it comes to build quality, the Dash Tasti-Crisp is fairly solid for its price. The plastic exterior feels durable enough, and the overall construction is light but sturdy. Since it's a budget-friendly option, it doesn't have the premium heft of more expensive models, but it's still well built for what it is. As for long-term reliability, it's too early to tell, but the brand has a good reputation for producing reliable kitchen gadgets, so I'd expect this one to hold up well over time with proper care. As for customer support, I didn't need to interact with them directly, but Dash generally has a solid track record for responding quickly to customer inquiries. I've seen reports of their customer service being helpful when issues arise, which is reassuring if you ever run into trouble with the product. To wrap up, the Dash Tasti-Crisp digital air fryer is a solid choice for anyone looking to make healthier, crispy meals quickly and without the mess of oil. It's compact, user-friendly, and delivers good performance for its price. While it might not be ideal for large families or those who need high-end features, it's a great fit for individuals or smaller households. If you're looking for a simple, no-frills air fryer that gets the job done, this one's definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've already tried the Dash Tasti-Crisp air fryer, or if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on future reviews. Until next time, take care and keep cooking with confidence here at Reviews Inside TV.